In a moment of immense national pride, India's military history has once again taken center stage at the global forum. Maratha military landscape, a network of strategic forts built between the 17th and the 19th centuries, have now been inscribed in the prestigious UNESCO World Heritage List, marking India's 44th entry. But this is not just a cultural recognition, it's a reaffirmation of India's long-standing tradition of military excellence. From Shivaji Maharaj's impenetrable hill forts to modern nuclear submarines and space-based warfare systems, India has carved a reputation as one of the world's most strategically sound and battle-ready nations. Here's a report on India's military evolution, where past glories fuel the present strength and future stand well fortified.
In a resounding testament to India's martial past and strategic genius, the UNESCO World Heritage Committee on July 11, 2025 inscribed the Maratha military landscapes of India into the prestigious World Heritage List, becoming India's 44th entry. This recognition not only immortalizes the architectural brilliance of 12 historical significant forts across Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, but also cement India's identity as a nation of military innovation, indomitable courage and strategic depth.
From the hilltop bastions of Shivneri and Rajgarh to the coastal sentinels of Sindhudurg and Suvarnadurg, these forts reflect the vision of India's most celebrated military minds, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. These fortresses were not mere stone structures but strategic masterpieces.
Long before colonial regiments marched on the Indian soil, India was a cradle of military science. Mahabharata and Ramayana detail complex war formations like Chakravyuh, still studied in warfare theory. Kautilya's Arthashastra, a masterpiece on statecraft, alliance building and war tactics still studied by military institutions worldwide. Its Mandala theory and the law of fish, widely known as Matsya Nyaya, scientifically describes how the strong devour the weak, forming the geopolitical core of ancient and even modern military alliances.
The British Raj turned Indian warriors into structured force. The Indian Army, which soon grew into the largest volunteer force in World War II, serving in North Africa, Burma, and Europe with valor. While the colonizers sought loyalty, Indian soldiers brought honor, earning over 30 Victoria Crosses during World War II. After 1947, India faced existential threats, yet triumphed through resolve and strategy. It was in 1947-1948 when Pakistani raiders attacked Kashmir and Indian armed forces not only repelled but saved Kashmir from Pakistan's nefarious designs. In 1965 war, Indian armed forces repulsed Pakistani attacks in Punjab, Rajasthan and Rann of Kutch, and also defeated the Pakistani armed forces design through Operation Gibraltar to annex Kashmir. In 1971 war, perhaps India's finest hour led to liberation of Bangladesh. India displayed surgical precision, air superiority and naval blockade mastery. It was never ever in the modern military history that over 90,000 prisoners of war were taken. During the Kargil War of 1999, famously known as Operation Vijay, became a lesson in high-altitude warfare where India reclaimed infiltrated peaks under direct enemy fire. Further on, surgical strikes of 2016 and Balakot air strikes of 2019, and recently the Operation Sindoor, India shifted gears, embracing new doctrine, striking swiftly and striking hard, taking the battle into the hinterland of the enemy. Modern India isn't just a military power. It's a defense innovator. With the Make in India in Defense initiative, India's private and public sectors are producing radars, drones, satellites and artillery systems, reducing dependency and boosting self-reliance. With many key achievements such as LCA Tejas, a supersonic multi-role fighter designed indigenously, Arjun main battle tank equipped with advanced targeting and protection system, Agni and Prithvi missiles, which are strategic deterrents in a volatile neighborhood, and on the blue oceans, it is the Indian naval ship Vikrant, India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, a floating fortress. From building its first indigenous aircraft carrier to mastering cyber and space defense, India's strategic vision is future ready. India is now a sought-after partner in global defense cooperation as well. Malabar exercises between the forces of US, Japan, Australia strengthens the Indo-Pacific maritime security, and other military exercises like Yuddhabhyas between India and the US military, Garud between India and France, and Indra between the Russian and the Indian forces showcase India's interoperability. India's defense exports have grown significantly, supplying helicopters, radars, and patrol boats to South Asia and Africa, asserting soft power backed by hard steel. India's military thinkers have innovated doctrines for modern threats. Cold Start Doctrine. It enables rapid mobilization for quick war with minimum warning to the enemy. Mountain Strike Corps, strategically formed in response to PLA movements. And network-centric warfare, integrating real-time intelligence, surveillance, and drone warfare.
And that's not all. India's elite warriors are globally recognized for their precision, resilience, and daring acts. The Para Special Forces excel in deep strikes and covert missions far beyond enemy lines. The NSG, known as the Black Cat Commandos, become national heroes during the 26/11 Mumbai attacks, showcasing unmatched counter-terror expertise. Marcos and Garud operate across land, sea, and air, trained under the harshest conditions to dominate any domain. Complementing these elite units are the unsung heroes of the Border Security Force, ITBP, CRPF, and Assam Rifles, who stand guard across India's longest and the most treacherous borders. Together, they form the backbone of the force built to master the impossible.
The UNESCO inscription of the Maratha military landscape is not a mere cultural badge. It is a solemn salute to India's historic and continuing military excellence, from ancient doctrines to nuclear triads, from hill forts to cyber domes. India has proven it is not just a peace-loving country but a prepared one, a defender of its borders, and when required, a decisive striker beyond them. Every stone in Raigad Fort, every soldier in Siachen, and every satellite in orbit, they all echo a single truth. India is not just a land of warriors, it is a nation of strategists. With video journalist Arman Khan, Nancy Baloda for DD India.